guys, it's Smell here, and today I will be showing you how to make some slime. I don't know what slime it is, but yeah. So first thing you will be needing soap. So you put as much slime as you want in. I put in about, not that much, and then you will be needing shampoo. I'm using raspberry and red apple shampoo. And you get this from right there. So you put it in. Not that much. And then you start to mix. So after a bit, it should be getting a bit thick. That's what looks like of it. Look very good. So then you need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 teaspoons, sorry guys. Then you start to mix. It should be getting thicker. I think after a bit of mixing, you can put a bit of glitter. I got a tiny bit of pink glitter, so I'm going to put a bit of that in. That's a lot. Try not to put as much in as I did. See, this is what mine looks like. I put too much glitter in, but then you start mixing. Mine should turn out as a metallic colour, because I used like metallic glitter. And if you want this, it comes from Dazzle Dust, Barry MTM. That's the glitter I used, and it's turned out as this colour. It looked very nice on camera, but it is in night. So you start mixing, and then you let go of it. It should be starting to get a bit jiggly and thick. So after that, you need to get some talcum powder, and you put 2 squirts in, like awful. Then you mix slowly. Bring all talcum powder to one particular place where your slime will be. Once it has got a muffin, it should have white on the outside still. You go to the sink and then you pour a bit, you tap it, the bowl, and it should come out. So guys, once you've done that, you keep mixing for a while, for about 2 minutes. So I'll be back with you in 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes now, and I've got mixing, and it's gotten very well. It doesn't look very good when you've like that, bring it up like this, because it's very stringy. Next thing you will need is body butter. I'm using Gold Together body butter. And then you get a teaspoon and you put a teaspoon in, if it can go in. So once you've done that, so you carry on mixing. This should make it thick. Then you add another you add the 3 teaspoons of sugar again. But last time we did 2. So once you've added that in, you carry on mixing. So after a bit, if it would got watery, you need to add a bit of sugar again. And a tiny bit of soap. And then mix. You should be getting that together. If it isn't, I don't know what to do. And then you add a bit of saline solution. I'm using one from Morrison's. And add some in. And then more body butter. Then you mix. So guys, yep, and if you want, you can put some balls in. I've put some orange balls in now, and then you need to put it in the fridge for half an hour. So let's go. So guys, I've just got my slime out the fridge after half an hour, and it looks very weird. So I'm gonna pick it up. This is good. Oh my gosh, it's gone darker. I wanted it really light. So there are the orange balls inside. This is pretty good. Oh my gosh. So guys, go check out my next video where I will be showing you all my slime, well, both of my slimes that I have 2 and both my squishes. So yeah, see you later. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and I will see you on the next video.